Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. You got a hill, 20-degree angle. It's not drawing the scale here. Then you have a telephone pole that's 35 foot tall. 2 foot from the top, you attach a guide wire. So that's 2 foot top. It's 35 foot poles. That leaves you 33 feet for this. What's left below the pole from where it's attached to the ground. You attach a guide wire 28 feet down the hill. Well, if this angle here is 20 degrees, then this angle here is also 20. Well, this would be a right angle, at least 70 degrees here. And so since this is a straight angle, it would leave 110 degrees. So I tried to redraw this triangle here. So this is the 28 feet, 33 feet, and 110 degree angle. So I'm redrawing this triangle. We want to find the length of the guide wire, C. So I use all of cosines. C squared would equal the 33 squared plus 28 squared minus 2 times the product of 28 and 33 times the cosine of the included angle, 110 degrees. So I put this in the calculator and got 1,873. That product is 1,848. Took cosine 110. And I multiply and add. I ended up with 2,505.1. And I took the square root of it. It's a little over 50 feet for the length of the guide wire. Hope that helps.